Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you should use the Indeed app, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the Indeed app and you can find a job by typing the job title or a keyword or a company. Let's say that I want a teaching job, all right, and you have to give an exact a place, a city or state name or zip code. Let's say that in LA, Los Angeles, California, and find jobs. And now you can see a list with teaching jobs in California. Let's, if you want to learn more about this job, you have to click on the name of the job, and here you can see the full job description, position summary, and all the necessary information, the exact location, and here is the inside, the salary information, like the artist in Los Angeles, average salary, and there are some reviews. Definitely an entertainment company, amazing job, work environment is a privilege, and so on. So this is really good because you have uh, reviews from other persons, so it's I think it's a really cool feature. So if you read everything and you want to apply for this job, you have to click on the apply now, and now it will direct to this page, and you have to click on the apply now option, and here you have to give the all the informations to sign in to apply, and so on. So this is the the jobs exact page where you have to sign in as well. And if you do not want to apply right now, but you want to save this job, you have to click on this save this job option, and now this job is saved. Or you can copy the link of this job, or and you can send to a person or to a friend. If you want to help, I don't know, one of your family members to find a job, so you can copy the link of this job, and after that he or she can read about this. So this is the way how you can search for a job or on Indeed. I hope this video was helpful for you, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.